Okay guys, we're doing an unboxing, you know, Popmart. Got all of these from Popmart, and yeah. So let's get started. So I got Space Mollies. The one that I really do want is this human, this one, and or whether these two. Oh. So yeah, okay. So she got this. I have no idea what that is, but it's like anime.
Yeah.
Which one do you like?
I like that one.
So the one that she really wants is this. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it together.
Unboxing.
Hold that top.
Yeah.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. We're in Paris, so yeah. Don't look at the card. Don't look at the card.
I won't.
Don't look at the card. This is my packaging. Wait, do you need help? Yeah, she is. What the heck? Okay. Okay. Wait. Don't look at the card. This is the packaging.
Yeah.
Alright, should I go first or?
You go.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Wait. Oh. I got this one. So, like, I got purple sweet potato. Purple sweet potato. Oh, that's so cute. Wait. It comes with a minigun. Wait, let me open this. Wait, let me. There we go. There we go. Give me that to my mom. Okay, let's see. What?
Are you not putting in your short in YouTube?
No, this is like a video, you know.
Oh, you cut it then?
You know what I mean. You got this. She got
I got this.
Wait, let me see this. Oh wait, you have to take this off. There you go. Does it come with a stand? Wait, where's the box? Does it come with a stand? Yeah, it does. Here. Like, this is a stand. Wait, let me see this. Oh wait. It's attached. Like, okay. Oh, my P-Triot. Wait, how did it go? Where's the card? Oh, so she leans on it.
That's so cute.
Wait, is it? Yeah. Here. $60. This is what she got. It's so cute.
Is
You
it?
know? Wait, okay, just pass it to my mom. So, we got these two. So,
Thank you.
thank you. We're gonna put the rubbish over there. Mom. Just put the. Oh my god.
That was.
Okay, which one should we? Okay, together. So you got these three. Wait. Which one should I do? I'm gonna do the Shaka. Which one are you gonna do? We can do these ones at the same time later. So
Yeah.
you're gonna do that one. All right.
Let's open.
Wait, 3, 2, 1.
1.
Oh my god, wait. That was a bad one.
Yeah.
No.
But
Wait. The one I want to get is Flow and Sink. Oh my god. Which one do you want to get?
let me see.
This is the Genshin Impact Dream Up. Oh, Dress Up Dream.
Okay.
Um,
Do I take this one?
she wants Barbara. Yeah. Alright.
It's open.
It's cute.
With the card. Oh, goodness.
Don't look at the card. Oh, it's a bit heavy.
It is.
Oh wait, it only comes in one. I thought it would come with. Wait.
I'm not looking.
Wait. Want to do it at the same time? Let's do it at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh, my mom picked this up, so.
What's the light?
What? Oh. Is it?
You need to put a light there.
Ooh,
Oh.
somewhere.
Oh yeah, it's inside.
That's so cute. And I'll show it.
Wait, give me.
That's so
Oh my god! That's so cute. This is for the hat thing.
Is
It's like
that
a
the one
light.
you dressed?
No.
It's dressed up green.
Ow, Jack.
Yeah. Give it to mommy. You will break.
Ow. So, this is what I got. It's still, wait. I didn't get the one that I wanted. I got, wait. Yeah, we got order. Boom. I got 2 key drivers. It's too cute. I got,
I put it in the box.
Okay.
okay, which one?
Give it to me so I will close it.
I'll do the image of reality. Skull Panda. Oh my god. Okay.
I'll do this one.
Wait, we moved this to the side. So,
I'll do this one, guys.
oh, that's the wrong way. It's the Honor of the Kings. I don't even know what that is, but she likes animation. So, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Wait, we didn't say what we wanted.
Oh, yeah.
The one that I really want is, wait, these disguise. This one, I don't know what that says. I actually want all of them.
This one I like. That one.
She wants this one. So yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, my peach nuts. Okay. There's. Okay. Wait. I am not looking at the card. Mom, don't tell me. This is the packaging. It's so cute.
I'm not looking at the card.
3. Wait. The Popmart. That's me. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Whoa.
Oh, it moves. Oh,
There's something inside.
it's a
Panda.
bubble. Wait. Oh yeah, there is something inside. Wait, let me get the card out. Oh my god. I got the paradox.
This one is cool.
Wait,
Let me see.
this way.
Angel.
What do you get?
That's cute.
I got angel.
Show it.
Oh,
That's so cute.
it's so cute. It comes with a little crow on it.
Yeah.
Or is it? No, it's a rabbit. Oh,
It's a. Her name is Angel.
That's so
no.
cute.
Her name is Angela or something. Angela. I don't know. Wait, where's the card? Yeah, Angela. There. This is so cute.
Ella, asa na? Ang gamit
Bubble.
No, the white
It's
one.
It has Skull Panda at the back. You can move the arms. It's like interactive. That's cool. It's cute, I guess. I like the bubble. Oh. We went to Popmart today. Okay. I guess we can do the Mirage one because we both have one. Yes.
Yeah.
The one that I want. In my last video, we got the Ganta. So, I'm hoping for the hill something, I don't know. Well, or the pan flute, but my mom wants any of them, so. Which one do you want?
I rather have this one.
Huh?
This one.
She wants the frame, which is at the back and at the front. Okay, 3, 2,
1.
Okay. This is so fun. I'm so happy though. Oh, I nearly looked at the car, bro. I nearly looked at the car. Boxy. Hey, turn it around. It's blue. Alright. Oh, wait. Oh. What did we get?
What did you get?
Oh my god.
Cute.
Yes. So that's what it was.
The cricket.
The cricket one. Wait.
There is.
Oh, there. Okay. Wait. Oh, it goes like this. Oh, wait. It's
Yes. Let's see.
okay, this is the stand. It's blue.
Whoa.
We don't have this one yet.
That's nice too, Ella. Yeah.
Oh my god. This is mine. Wait, let me see.
The
that.
carousel lantern.
Oh, I want this one.
Oh, so cute. I like this too.
I like that. It's like Chinatown. Wait a second.
Oh, this
Mommy, I have to.
lamp. Yeah.
Oh my god. She lucky, damn. I think you have to turn it off for now.
Is it like that? Oh yeah. It lights.
Oh my god, she's so lucky.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the card? Give me.
Here you go.
There.
That's the one I got, guys.
It's the carousel lantern. Wow.
Let me have a look.
I like that one. It's cute.
Wait, isn't it?
Where's? Oh wait, here. Let's see her. Red and black. Here.
Akin na yung box. Akin na yung box and those.
Oh, you're lucky. I like that one. So, let's move everything.
Give me those plastic. And there's more ones.
Wait. 1 minute, guys. So,
1 minute.
she's done with her unboxing. Wait, move so. Don't show the rubbish. Don't show the rubbish. I got 2 peach tryouts.
Is it like that? Okay.
Huh?
To put in here? Or is like that?
No. So I got 2 peach tryouts. Yeah. It was my dream to have these. Yeah. So I actually want this or. But I'm fine with any poppies. They're actually pretty cute. Hey. Nice. Nice. Oh my god, there's cards right there. I don't want to see it. It's so hard. There we go. Nope. I don't want to see it. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, it's all
Oh my god.
I like them.
Oh wait, who did I get? I got Frankie. I got Frankie Knight. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Well, I got Frankie. She's a knight. Yeah. So, I love Patreons. Yeah. Okay. I hope we get Gigi cheerleader or Poppy princess. But I'm like fine with everything. I hope we don't get a duplicate. 3, 2, 1. The boxes are too cute. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot. Where's the card? Yeah, here. The card's so cute. Here's Frankie. I don't want to look at the card. So I don't think I'm going to do that. Please, not a duplicate. Right. It's weird. Don't show you. Where'd you do that? I got Gigi. No way. I got the darkness one. I got Gigi. So cute. I was really hoping for Poppy though. I was actually hoping for Poppy though, so yeah.
Who's Poppy?
Poppy here.
There's Poppy.
Poppy.
Where?
Poppy. Poppy, Poppy, Poppy. Oh, that's so cute. It says Raya on her shoes. Little chain. The back of her hair. They're so stylish.
Raya.
Yeah. So we're done unboxing.
That's it.
Yeah. We have a lot. Come here. I want to get more Patreons. They're so cute. Okay. Bye.
Oh, I like the skull panda.
Yeah, my mom wants to collect them.
The big one.
Oh, the doll one. The big one.
Like
Okay.
the globe.
Oh. Well, bye. Yeah. Bye bye. See you in my next video.